Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this HTC. First of all, you need to locate Sound Recorder app. Now click on those three dots at the top right corner of it and click on Storage Location. Over here you can click on the best one for you. I will go with phone USB flash drive. And you can also click on those three dots, select file type and click on the best one for you. I will go with the first one. Now you can start your recording by tapping on this red button. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, click on the same one. Now to save it, click on this left square one. And from here you can delete your recording right away by choosing discard or name it and keep it by choosing save. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you want to play it, click on it. If you want to delete it though, you need to hold it. Then select this bin icon at the top right corner, click on it and choose delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!